Divi AI is powerful because it learns your website. So each website you design is going to be different in terms of the content. In order for you to make Divi AI learn your website, you need to come over here to settings, go to general, and then give your website a title and a description. Like what I've done here, I've named this Divi University and I've given this a title. Now, when you go into your AI, so right now I've opened my text module. So when I click here on this little AI button and I say write automatically, notice what happens. What it's going to suggest for me is going to be based on my website. And this is really, really good. Now take a look at this description here. So as you can see, all this here relates to my website. So every website you're going to design is going to be unique and is going to have unique content being generated by Divi AI, because Divi AI is integrated into the Divi builder itself. With Divi AI, all your pre-made layouts have all of a sudden become very, very useful. Let me show you what I mean. You can come over here to choose pre-made layout. So you can actually choose any one of these layouts like this, and all the content that you have on this website can be swapped with Divi AI. Now let me show you what I mean. I'm going to now uncheck this button and click on import. Now, because AI can be used on each and every one of these modules, it's very now easy for you to go in like this and then choose AI. And then now you can rewrite with AI. You can do all sorts of things. So this is very, very powerful. Now, not only can you do text, but you can also do images. So you can actually come in here and choose a specific image and then recreate that image using AI. All these layouts that you have can be easily turned into a new website without downloading royalty-free images or hiring a copywriter. Now, for those of you who are design agencies, you can imagine how powerful this is, because instead of having a copywriter to do all your content for your clients, you can actually use Divi AI to come up with all those ideas, and then you can just do a little bit of tweaking, saving you a lot of time and saving you money. Now, the third reason is Divi AI is very, very easy to use and the UI is very user-friendly. Now, we are here on this image. So notice that when I click here on this image AI, I can generate with AI, I can improve with AI, and I can generate and replace. There's so many options I can do. We even have this option here to change the style into photo, digital painting, concept art, painting, and so on. Now, if this image is small, I can actually upscale it 2 times or even 4 times. So this is very, very useful when I need to go in and customize my images to whatever size that I need. So let's say I say generate with AI here. I can even give it more options to come up with an image that I'm looking for. Here we have aspect ratio, so we can change this to 8 by 5. But the really cool thing is you can come over here to size and give it a specific size, like for example, 1080 by 720. And just like that, the image you're going to generate is going to be with these dimensions. And over here as well, when we generate our images, we can generate images and we can keep on refining it until we get the image that we're looking for. So as you can see, Divi AI is really, really fantastic. Okay, so the fourth reason is if you buy Divi AI using my affiliate link, I'm going to give you access to lifetime membership onto Divi University. Now, Divi University is going to be your one-stop for everything Divi. Courses, child themes, templates, done for you templates, and so on. Everything is going to be here. This is going to be your one and only learning place for everything Divi. So all future courses, all features, they're all going to be here on Divi University. Now, to access this, all you need to do is to let me know where I should send you the login details when you purchase Divi AI. So all you need to do is to add your first name and your email address, and then this will redirect you to purchase Divi AI. And then once you've done that, just let me know via email and I will send you the login details to Divi University. And once we launch, you're going to have automatic access to a lifetime membership. And I also would like to mention that all those lifetime members on funnelstoincome.com will also get access to Divi University for free. So the final reason, Divi AI has a roadmap, and I'm really excited with what's coming later on down the line. So here we can see we have code generation. So for us who are not programmers, it is very, very cool that we can go in here and generate AI code inside the Divi builder. Over here, we also have a full layout generation. So this is AI designing layouts for you. I mean, this is going to be huge for those of us who are freelance designers or design agencies who want to create layouts. AI is going to be generating our layouts for us. This is going to be huge. Finally, we have image editing. So we can actually remove backgrounds, we can replace backgrounds and so on. I think this is a fantastic feature because at the moment, if you want to remove backgrounds or make some edits, you have to use something like Photoshop or some other online tools that can do this. But having this within the Divi Builder, I think is fantastic. At this time of watching this video, there's a 40% off today, and this is running out. There's only 1 day left. But of course, if you miss this, you can still sign up, but it's going to be full price. But I would take advantage of this 40% off. This is a huge, huge bonus. This AI is unlimited. We can just go in here and generate as many images per website. So I like the fact there's no restriction on this. So I would really highly recommend that you go and check it out. The link to that is in the video description below. Now, just to remind you again, if you purchase Divi AI using my affiliate link, I'm going to give you access to Divi University, which will be launching very, very soon. All right, guys, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.